Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install and set up AVG PC TuneUp. This is the latest version for this year. By the way, this is TuneUp utilities. AVG company buy these TuneUp utilities, and now they are only like AVG PC TuneUp. Okay. You go to select your language, plenty of options, go to I accept the license conditions. Second question is, I have read data protection statement and I agree to my data being saved and used. If you don't want your data to be saved and used by this company, you don't check this. I recommend to go to custom installation. But you see, if you this do not check, you cannot go to install this software. Be aware that some of the data from your PC maybe go to this company. Next, we will wait until installation program. Here we go. C program files, AVG PC TuneUp. OK. Next. What you will install? AVG shredder if you want to secure erase the data from your hard drive or SSD drive. AVG disk space exploration for folder holder, show underlined. Check updates on first tab, run automata, regular intervals, and inform me. Show icon to launch AVG, show icon to one-click maintains, pin AVG, and this is a small gadget you will see on the right side of your desktop window. Okay, go to install. Okay, installation is finished. I will show little gadget. Here we go. Launch. Searching for update. You will go immediately on their website. Just to say that this is 15 days trial version, up to date, finish. Okay, you can go to start analyze system now, or you can close this and go to dashboard. Okay, here we go. You have maintains PC performance, PC health rescue center. PC mode is standard, economy or turbo. I will show you how to fix or try to fix or to speed up your system. Go to scan now. And in these sections, AVG try to find problems on your system. First, registry, broken shortcuts, clean up windows and programs, clean up browser, optimize